I'm so thrilled to be taking hands with Harper and Sloane to show you how you can use one of their beautiful tracing boards with your toddler, even as young as an 18-month-old. You guys know I'm such a huge advocate of extending the useful life of a toy. That means you purchase it early on and you find innovative ways to use that toy with a younger child so that you can maximize the time that you can play with that toy. So you increase the toy's lifetime. Now, while a 5, 6 or 7-year-old might use this board as a pre-writing exercise by simply tracing the numbers, I'm going to show you how we're going to modify what we do with this board to teach our toddler shapes, to practice age-appropriate writing motions, and then also to strengthen the bond between the parent and the child by using it to sing fun songs while incorporating things we do on the board. Now let me just say, the best pre-writing practice that we can give to toddlers is giving them the opportunity to play with Play-Doh, to do posting activities with small parts, and ample opportunity to climb. All of this strengthens their hand muscles and then it's beneficial to their writing in the long run. Around 18 months, however, we can start introducing vertical lines, horizontal lines, and circles to our toddlers as age-appropriate pre-writing motions. So that brings me to the first side of our board. The number side, you can see that there's a vertical line, the number 1, a horizontal line, the place where the stylus normally rests, and there's a circle, the number 0. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your toddler sit on your lap. You are going to place the board in front of you and you're going to take your finger and you're going to show them how you trace with your finger and let them watch. So you're going to trace the number 1, the vertical line. You're going to trace the horizontal line and you're going to trace the circle. Then what you can do is you can have your toddler sit on your lap and take their hand in yours and use their little finger to trace and to trace and to trace. The wonderful smooth wood grain of this board is such a nice sensory input for them as well. So then you can repeat this activity as long as it keeps their interest. Now we're going to move on to the next side of the board, and once again you're going to have your toddler on your lap and you can use your finger or you can use your hand to guide their finger and you're going to trace the triangle. You're going to tell them that this is a triangle and it has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners, and you're going to do the same with all of the other shapes and you're going to let them explore it with their fingers and with their hands, and you're going to talk about the attributes of the shapes. And then lastly we're going to move on to the patterns, and this is the fun one. I think you guys are going to enjoy it so much. I'm going to show you a fun song that you can do while you trace this pattern. So once again, have your toddler on your lap, place the board in front of you, either use your finger or use your hand to guide their finger, and then you can sing the following song. Wiggly worm, come out to play. Up and down, wiggle away. Wiggling and wriggling all over the show. Wiggly worm, where will you go? I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to use your Harper and Sloane tracing board, and also that it has inspired you to buy some good quality open-ended educational materials to use with your children for many years. Until next time.